You're welcome once more to this Honestly Effect, and today we're going to talk about ITIN, which is an individual taxpayer identification number. This is given by the IRS to people who can't get SSN, and SSN means Social Security Number. This means ITIN is an alternative to SSN, and in place of SSN, and it can be issued regardless of your immigration status. So right now, setting up a US PayPal or your journey, you might be asked of your LLC and your EIN, and you can supply them with your LLC and your EIN. Also, there is going to be a place where you will be needed to place an SSN, but you can't use EIN. And this also goes for e-commerce giant like Shopify Payment Gateway. After entering your LLC and EIN, you might need to enter either your SSN or ITIN. And also that also goes for Stripe as well. And as a non-resident in the US, formerly having an EIN can replace SSN, but right now that doesn't work anymore, and this is why you need an ITIN number. So in this video, I'm going to give you and expose to you a website which you can use to obtain that ITIN number, which you can use to bypass those barriers. And make sure you also use the discount code which gives you 50% off your first purchase. If you use this code, you're going to be satisfied with this company called the ITIN.com. The ITIN.com is the company that gives you the access to have an ITIN number, and that is what this video is all about. In my slide that I'm going to send you to right now, you're going to see every breakdown on how ITIN work, the in and out, on how you can go through it and how you can apply, and how you can learn more about what ITIN really does. Let's go there.
Now let me tell you about ITIN.com, which is the leading tax ID ITIN provider for anyone who's looking to get a US ITIN and start a US business as a non-American. They have helped thousands of non-American people from 150 plus countries with their US LLCs and ITINs. To simplify things, I give you a $50 coupon code at your checkout when you make a purchase. You can find the link to the coupon code in the description of this video below. Coupon code with $50 off. So use SunnyTeen as your coupon code. Now let me educate you about ITIN. ITIN is a 9-digit tax identification number, just like a social security number. SSN, it's also 9 digits. ITIN is for anyone who is not eligible to get a social security number. So if you're asked for your SSN and you don't have it, you can use ITIN instead. How and where ITIN is asked and used. While applying for Stripe or PayPal, a social security number SSN is usually asked right in the beginning. Instead of SSN, you only can use ITIN, as you can see in these pictures. PS, this is the most important part. Without ITIN, a non-resident US business owner cannot open PayPal. It's obligatory to provide a personal tax ID along with a business tax ID EIN. In order to file or pay US taxes, you need to have ITIN. Pretty much ITIN is essential in many cases, as long as you're a non-US resident business owner who has any sort of US income. ITIN.com service and support to customers. ITIN.com price is the best on the internet. Other services from sites like these are about $400, $500, and you have a coupon which is even greater to give you discounts. Also, the customer care are very active on live chat to attend to your support. They have helped a lot of people to open their PayPal, Stripe, also open Amazon seller account completely for free, and also give guidance and support how to apply for ITIN. To apply for ITIN, you have to have a US company, an EIN and passport scan. ITIN is a process that takes long, 14 weeks right now. Before COVID, it was 6 to 8 weeks. The ITIN company does all the work in under 48 hours. Fillings and submissions, however, it's the IRS takes along, and no one can be faster than how ITIN.com delivers. It really takes time, so the earlier you apply, the better. Anyway, make sure you use the coupon code with $50 off. So use SunnyITIN as your coupon code when you make an order for your ITIN. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Also comment your opinions as well and hit the bell notification so as to stay updated for more uploads. See you on the next one.